So let me begin by expressing my heartfelt condolences to the family and friends of Rashad Richards of Campion College, who died in what is believed to be a freak accident involving a goalpost yesterday after school. The ministry's guidance and counseling teams, along with the guidance counselors from other schools, are expected to visit the school today. I'm sure they're there already, and begin to offer support to students and teachers. Let me take this opportunity to share that there are set standards for the equipment used in sports offered at schools, including goal posts, and these standards are in the Jamaican standard specifications for the safety and performance of football goals. It was the first to be completed at the time. It was created by the Ministry of Education and Youth in partnership with the Bureau of Standards Jamaica some years ago.